First, you have to configure the action bar once. To do this, click on the drop-down menu in the upper right corner and select Actionbar Campus. You should now see the first tab Architecture by default. This setting will be retained the next time you start. First, a few terms so that you can follow me later. The individual terms at the top are the respective tasks. By default, the first field is Open Architecture. Each task is divided into different task areas. These summarize the respective functions in a generic term and make it easier for you to find them. With a double left click on the name of the task area, you can display the functions stacked or expanded. If you press the Control key, the respective representation is adopted for all task areas. The first area of the action bar contains all functions that are important for the creation of the building model. This means everything that can be touched both in the shell and in the extension. This includes not only the classic building construction with walls and concrete components, but also the steel construction for constructing a hall or the timber construction for correctly representing the roof construction. The most important functions for modifying or evaluating your 3D model are also always present. If you have reinforced concrete components in your project, you are in the right place in the area of civil engineering. Here you can efficiently place and evaluate 3D reinforcement. This applies to both round steel reinforcement and mesh reinforcement. The bar list is generated automatically. In the 2D construction area, you will find basic commands such as lines or grids. Surface elements can also be found here, as well as dimensioning and labeling. In short, everything you need to put the finishing touches to your floor plan. Here too, again shown in gray, are the modification and evaluation functions. Of course, it can happen during the planning phase that you need to quickly construct something in 3D, or that you simply do not have a suitable 3D function for your purpose. For this purpose, there are a variety of 3D functions with which you can easily model even complex figures. You already have experience with scripting? Then you should definitely take a look at visual scripting. Your design is ready and should now be presented? Then the Visualize tab is the right place for you. Here you will find everything you need to present your design in the best possible way. Give your rendering the right atmosphere with different lighting scenarios, or create an impressive video of your project quickly and easily with the help of the camera path. You are not sure if there is enough sun on the terrace? The shadow calculation helps you decide. If you have now completely edited your project and would like to export it, then you are in the right place in the export or import area. Here you will find all the functions to export your project. If you want to import things from other programs instead, this is also no problem.